Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best remote start is probably one of the most convenient car accessories you can get, allowing you to start your car from a distance, perfect for those hot summer days or cold winter mornings. In this video, we will review its features, installation process, and overall performance, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your vehicle. Number 5. StartX 4Runner Remote Starter. Start your Toyota 4Runner from the comfort of your home. Enjoy a preheated car in winter or a cool car in summer, all from a distance. It's a plug-and-play system, taking only about 20 minutes to install. No wire cutting or splicing needed, thanks to the included T-harness. This remote starter is designed for 2010 to 2019 Toyota 4Runners with key start and automatic transmission. Please check your vehicle specifications. Extend the range of your remote start with an optional long-range RF kit or cell phone module for even greater convenience. It's designed and engineered in North America, and our helpful support team is based in the USA. We're here to help. What we like. It boasts a quick 20-minute installation, and conveniently utilizes your existing key fob. Plus, it's designed and supported right here in the USA. If you value ease of use and American-made quality, this is the remote start for you. What people say. Very simple to install and works like a charm. This product is very useful and easy to install. Anyone can install it with a little bit of time. It's very nice being able to use the factory keys, and I use this product all the time to warm up my car. This remote start kit was just as advertised. Truly plug and play. My biggest concern was the programming of the system, but it was less than 2 minutes. Number 4. StartX Remote Starter. Introducing the StartX Plug-and-Play Remote Starter. It lets you start your push-to-start vehicle remotely, warming or cooling it before you get in. This kit is designed for easy installation. It's plug-and-play, with a unique T-harness, so no wire splicing is needed. Just follow the included instructions or our helpful video. It seamlessly integrates with your existing factory remote. Simply lock your car 3 times to start it, and 3 times again to turn it off. It's compatible with select 2010 to 2019 Toyota 4Runners and 2011 to 2020 Toyota Siennas with push-to-start ignition systems. Check to make sure your vehicle is compatible. For your safety, it automatically shuts off when a door is opened. Remember to restart it before driving. The remote start range is the same as your key fob's locking range. What we like. This remote starter is specifically designed for push-to-start vehicles, offering a unique 3x lock-to-start feature. It's also compatible with both 4Runners and Siennas. If you have a push-to-start vehicle and want a seamless integration, this is the perfect option. What people say. Great lil plug-and-play remote starter. Just love that it works with the car's remote, no additional remotes needed. Took me about an hour to get hooked up and programmed. This works just as advertised. Takes only 20 minutes to get started. Easy install on my 4Runner, and it only took 1 hour. Watched a YouTube install video as I did it, and it was easy. So glad it starts with my original key fob and not an extra one. Number 3. StartX Remote Starter Kit. It's cold outside. With this kit, you can start your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra remotely from your existing key fob. No more freezing mornings. This plug-and-play kit makes installation a breeze. Simply connect the T-harness to your vehicle's BCM, no cutting or splicing required. Watch our installation video for a step-by-step guide. It's compatible with select 2015 to 2023 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. Check the listing for full compatibility details. This kit works with automatic transmissions and key start vehicles only. It does not include a key fob or remote, you'll use your existing one. Diesel and gas engines are supported. To pair it with your vehicle, you'll need a Windows computer and the included USB updater tool. It's easy to use and included in your kit. What we like. With its incredibly fast 5-minute installation and no wire splicing required, it's incredibly convenient. It's also tailored for Chevy and GMC trucks. If you need a quick and easy installation for your truck, this is the one for you. What people say. Took about 30 minutes total to install. Longest was waiting on the update of the device while hooked to the computer. Followed instructions step by step and worked right away. Took about 40 minutes whole process going slow and being thorough, worked first try. Cheap and effective so far through my trial period. This took all of 30 minutes to install. Works great. Took longer to download the code than it did to install it. Highly recommend. Number 2. StartX Honda Pilot Remote Start. Introducing the StartX Remote Start Kit, designed for your Honda Pilot, 2009 to 2015. It lets you start your vehicle from a distance, warming it up on cold mornings or cooling it down on hot days. This kit features a simple StartX T-harness for easy installation. No wire splicing is needed, it plugs right into your car's existing connectors. Installation is quick and straightforward. Important, this kit is designed for Honda Pilots with key ignition systems, 2009 to 2015 models, automatic transmission only. It's not compatible with push-button start vehicles. To start your Pilot remotely, simply press the lock button on your existing key fob 3 times. The range is the same as your car's regular locking system. No additional remotes are needed. StartX is a North American leader in plug-and-play remote start systems. It's designed and engineered in North America, with excellent customer support available in the USA. What we like. It features a simple 3x lock-to-start mechanism and an easy installation process. This remote starter is specifically designed for the Honda Pilot. If you own a Honda Pilot and want a straightforward solution, this is ideal. What people say. Instructions and video were clear and easy to follow. Works great. Range is limited to key fob range. After watching a couple of YouTube videos, I had this installed and working in less than 30 minutes. Product works as described and super easy to install and program. Definitely the quickest and easiest remote start I've ever installed. Number 1. MPC Jeep Wrangler Remote Start. This kit lets you start your Jeep Wrangler from anywhere with cellular service. It's compatible with 2007 to 2018 models and includes everything for installation. Use the smartphone app to start your Jeep, track its location, and monitor the battery. A year of unlimited service is included. For even more convenience, you can also start it using your existing car remote, just press the lock button 3 times. It's designed for easy installation. While you'll need to remove the steering column cover, the connections are simple plug-ins. Need help? We offer US-based technical support to assist you with installation or any questions you may have. We also have online support available 24/7. This remote start kit is specifically designed for gas-powered, automatic transmission Jeep Wranglers from 2007 to 2018. Please check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This option stands out with its smartphone app control, offering unlimited range. It's also perfectly suited for Jeep Wranglers. If you want remote start convenience from anywhere with cellular service, this is your best bet. What people say. Installation was easy. I read the programming instruction multiple times to be sure I did it correctly. The Jeep steering column shroud was a bit challenging to get off, but that's a Jeep issue, not the starter kit. So start to finish, it took an hour. The key fob range is excellent. Very simple install, plug and play. Everything programmed correctly. My phone app shows that it is communicating with the Jeep. Easy to install and program. Works great as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.